Hey dolls and friends, welcome back and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. If you're new here, my name is Amber Michon and I love creating high-end farmhouse home decor using majority of Dollar Tree or other affordable items. But if you're not new, hey doll, hey. So today, y'all, I have a Dollar Tree haul. I have not done a haul in a long time. And I went to Dollar Tree earlier today. I actually just went to one store just to see what they had in for spring and Easter. And usually my Dollar Trees get in stuff a little bit later. They're a little slow to putting things on the shelves or just getting the shipments in. So maybe you feel the same way. Like, people do a lot of hauls and you're like, that's not in my Dollar Tree. I feel the same way, boo. So I get you. But I wanted to show you what I did pick up and what I was able to find at just one Dollar Tree that I have near me. I don't know about you guys, but I literally have like 7 or 8 Dollar Trees within 15 minutes of me. So usually when I have my Dollar Tree shopping days, they are long days because I go through every aisle. But anyways, let's jump in to see what I got. The first things that I got, because of that noise, are these candlesticks. Oh my gosh. These are brand new, I know it. Everything that I've gotten from this particular Dollar Tree is all new to me. So it may not be new to you, but it's new to me, so that's why I got it. I'm practicing my restraint at Dollar Tree, just not buying everything that I see, because 9 times out of 10, it'll be there in another month. But anyways, I got these candle stick holders. They're so cute. I love the black, like, oh my gosh, and they're 3 different heights. Can't really tell because of the way I'm holding them, but they're super adorable. If you want to spray paint these, I plan on spray painting them just a bit, or even just giving them a quick like dry brushing of like some white or some gray. So pretty. I love those. And then for Easter baskets for my kids, I actually got these baskets. These are so cute. I love these. I wish they had a yellow one or a green one so I can get a different color for one of my other boys. So I'll probably go to another Dollar Tree and see if they have a different color to get that. And then this one for my girl Phoebe. I love these. And what I plan on doing is using my Cricut to put their names like sideways on here. I think that would be so adorable. But I absolutely love these. I love that they're small and compact. I have small kids, so they don't need anything too big that they can't carry, they can't hold. Probably reinforce the straps just a bit because they're just hanging on by literally a thread. So yeah, but super cute. Had to get those. And then some fabric. I've been seeing a lot of people using Dollar Tree fabric. And I thought I'd try a few things. I love farmhouse decor, so I got the farmhouse style. So I got, this one is like cows and pigs and like says homemade stuff. And then this one is just buffalo check, but it's like a faded black and white buffalo check. I think it's really cute. They had a dark like black and white, but I went with this one because I thought it'd be super cute to Mod Podge it to like some wood signs or something like that. They just say decor, but they remind me of like rattan. You know what I'm talking about, like decor pieces. So they're colorful because obviously for spring and Easter, but I plan on spray painting them, leave them as is, but just painting them, either spray painting them or, you know, just painting them with a paintbrush. I tend to like just painting with my hand more than I do like spray painting. I know some people say it's faster to spray paint, but I just don't think that it is. But anyways, I got 2 packs of these. I think these would be really cute if you decorated them, just put them like in a bowl or something, or even into your tray. I think that would be adorable. More egg decor. I got this garland because it's so cute. Duh. I love the black splatter on it. I think this is adorable as is. And then Dollar Tree has a ton of wood cutouts. They're ornaments that they call. I got a couple of these. So this is the egg one and this is a carrot one. Believe it or not, I have never seen the carrots this size at any of my Dollar Trees. They're usually the longer ones, but this size I've never seen at my local Dollar Trees. And then I got this one. I plan on using the back side, not the front side, because I have an idea for this, but I mean, it could be two-sided if you wanted to use both sides. And then more wood cutouts. These are so cute. These little bunnies, you get 12 in a pack. Oh my gosh, so adorable. And they already come with a little tail on the end of them. I think they're so cute. And I love the wood grain look to it. I don't know if you can see it there, but it's so pretty. I really like that. So they have a bunch of these. They call them craft garland with beads. And I got the butterfly one. They have a flower one. They have a ladybug one, but it didn't look like a ladybug shape. Like I was literally sitting there for like at least a minute. Like, is this a ladybug? No, that's not a ladybug. Is this a ladybug? And then I think they have a bird one and then a watering can one. But I just got the butterfly one because I'm obviously going to use it in my decor. I think it's super adorable. But even the watering can one, I thought it would be cute because it has enough on there to spell garden and just put one letter on each thing. Maybe I should just do that to show y'all how to do it. Then yeah, but anyways, you can take my ID and do it. Just tag me, boo. But these are really cute. They have this new like signage here, like this branding. I don't know, it's cute, I guess, for their garden collection. Hey, what is that? Indoor by Garden Collection. It's cute though, y'all. They, you know, Dollar Tree, they trying to step up their game a little bit more. I'm not mad though. And then I found, how cute is this? A pillowcase. Look at that, with a little bunny on the front of it. They had this blue one, and then they had a pink one, and I think they had a yellow one. And then I also found these jumbo carrots. Look at how big these carrots are, if I can get them up. Look at how big these are. How pretty are these? Oh my gosh, I absolutely love these. I love carrot decor so much because you can do so much with it. You can decorate it so many different ways, and a carrot can be so many different colors. I absolutely love these though. I think it is great for tier trays, or even just laying them on like your table with whatever other decor you have, or put them in a dough bowl or something. I think these are so cute. They also have the small normal size ones. I used them in my DIY last week, my truck. So yeah, hey, they still got them, boo, if you want them. And then I found this cute sign that's new to me. It says Bunny Trail Farms. I think this is adorable as is. Really great modern or even farmhouse decor. Just attach this to like a bigger sign. Just border it around it, or just decorate it, you know, like this. You know, why not? Hey, it's not gonna stay up. Oh, see, look at that. Done. And then the next thing I got was this super cute tray. How adorable is this? I know I said I was trying to stay away from like the pink decor, but I don't know. I haven't really started deep diving into crafting and decorating for spring yet, or Easter. So I may change my mind. I do that quite often. So I may just put in all the colors, you know, purple, orange, pink, blue, green, who knows? I can have it all, because spring, there are no rules, okay? No color rules, that is. But this is super cute. Thought this would be really cute to display like some broken eggs in there and stuff, you know, like putting some florals and stuff in there, but it's adorable even if you don't do it for that. It's a super cute tray. And they also had some carrots that I thought was really adorable, and I'll probably go back and get. And then they had one that just said Happy Easter all on it. Then next, oh, I got these rub-on transfers. I think they're super cute. They're really gold, like metallic, so hopefully you can see it. I think they're really pretty for spring. This one's just like a butterfly sheet, and this one has some flowers with the butterflies on them. I think they're really adorable. And it looks like you can put this, they say, these are not rub-on transfers, these are iron-on transfers. Oh my word. I'm like, I'm looking at the back like, oh, it looks like you can iron these on, and I actually read it like, no, they're iron-on. So I guess I'll have to figure out something to do with this now, because I thought they were rub-on transfers, and I totally knew what I was going to do with them. And now I just have to change my fabric that I'm going to use, or my material that I'm going to use, and it has to be fabric. If you guys have seen, Dollar Tree has been coming out with a ton of farmhouse style related decor. Obviously, they're watching a lot of our Dollar Tree DIY Farmhouse videos because they are jumping on that train. They're getting there. They're getting us a lot of really nice blanks to create on. So I got a few of those. I got 2 easels because I absolutely love making farmhouse style signs. And I thought these were super adorable because they're long enough but small enough to fit on a tier tray, or even if you just want them as table decor and like a trio of something. So I would like make this like some kind of Easter sign and maybe like put these carrots next to it with like a bunny statue that I have on the other side. That would be super adorable, right? Or even like a cloche or a vase or something like that with some florals. Super cute. These are the 2 styles that they have. This one is more of a just a neutral wood color, and this one is white wood. So I got a couple of those. And then these are new to me, these tag garlands. I think they're so cute. Obviously, yes, you can make these, but these tag signs are a lot bigger and thicker than I've seen come out at the Dollar Tree. You can probably get these at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, but I think they might be just half this size, to be perfectly honest. And if they are this size at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, they're probably like $2.99 or something like that. But adorable. They have this black one and then just regular wood one that I have found. But those are all of the things for like their farmhouse style that I got. Even more stuff I've seen other people like show. So I just gotta go to another Dollar Tree to see what they have out there. But they're slowly coming out with their spring and Easter stuff. They have some really pretty florals. I am not a Dollar Tree floral fanatic, but I did stop by and look at them, and I think they are really pretty. The quality is looking a whole lot better. I am still gonna be partial to Walmart for my florals. I don't think that will ever change. And I'm starting to come around to Hobby Lobby because I'm doing a lot more wreaths. So it makes more sense for me to spend a little bit more to get more and better quality for the wreaths that I'm making and selling. So yeah, but that is all I have for this really cute, really quick, and really affordable spring and Easter haul. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope that you are excited to see more of these mini hauls that I will be bringing, because if you've been around for a while, you know that Amber loves her coins. I don't like spending money on things that I'm not going to use. I've done that enough in my YouTube career. So I am only spending money on things that I know that I will use it or craft in a video for and decorate my home. Anyways, enough of me rambling. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you're new and enjoyed this video and all of my rambling, and you love all things home decor and DIYing on a budget, I would also appreciate if you consider subscribing and hitting the bell right next to it so you're notified every time that I upload. All right, dolls, that's all I got for you. I hope you have a great rest of your week. Be blessed, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.